Hello, I'm Sasha. Today I'm going to be opening the February 2020 Petit Vour Beauty Box. Petit Vour is a monthly beauty box that focuses on cruelty-free products. This is their original beauty box, which is about $18 a month for 4 products. I also get their Petit Vour Plus box. I've already reviewed this one and will link the video below. So I actually don't know what's in this box. I haven't looked at any of the spoilers yet, so I'm really curious to see what's inside. So as usual, they mail it in eco-friendly cardboard packaging. So first they have this description card. It explains what all the products are and how to use them. I love how they use this eco-friendly paper packaging. You can throw it right in the recycling or use it for something else. So first we have the Kaos Bronzing Potion Glow Cream. It sounds like it's sort of a shimmering bronzing potion that gives you an illuminating effect. If you can see it on my hand, it definitely has a nice illuminating shimmer to it. I think this will be really fun to try out, especially mixing it into something like a regular sunscreen. I feel like this would be great on those days when you just want a little bit of tint, but you don't want something too heavy. This seems like it has really gentle ingredients. The first ingredient is coconut water. The formula feels really nice and creamy. I think I'll start by mixing it into my usual moisturizer or sunscreen and just see what kind of effect that gives. Next we have the Little Barn Apothecary Honeysuckle and Grapefruit Body Oil. This has a really nice scent to it. I'm gonna just try a little bit here. Okay, yeah, that came out a little faster than I expected. I'm gonna rub this in a little bit. It looks like the base oil is sesame. This definitely seems hydrating. If you use the right amount, it seems to absorb pretty well. You just kind of have to give it a minute to sink in. I love the idea of including something like a body oil, especially in the winter. I feel like this is a great way to get some sort of extra hydration when your skin is usually at its driest. I think I'll definitely be testing this out, especially as part of my nightly routine. If you've been enjoying this video, please like or consider subscribing. I post new beauty videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday at 10 a.m. Central, and I'd love to see you there. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be the first to watch my new videos. Next we have the Bliss Omo Refine Clay Renewal Treatment Mask. This says that it's supposed to draw out impurities, refine skin texture, improve hydration, and help prevent breakouts. It seems like a nice kind of typical clay mask texture. It has a nice scent to it. Definitely seems like a bit of rose in there. Here's how it looks on the hand. Seems like kind of a typical clay mask texture. I actually got this from Petit Vour I think once before. I don't mind because I do tend to use a lot of clay masks, especially in the summer. They're great, gentle, kind of all-around treatments that seem to do a lot for my skin. So I'll definitely be trying this out, but I might save it till the weather gets a little bit warmer again. Next we have Speak Deodorant Cream. Looks like it has kind of a balm texture. They say it's made with arrowroot powder, kaolin clay, and magnesium to protect against odor, and has lavender to keep you smelling fresh. So let's try a little bit out. Seems like it melts quickly to the touch. It has a nice creamy texture when you apply it. Looks like it includes coconut oil and cocoa seed butter. I definitely sense a bit of that sort of chocolatey smell in it, which is really nice. I have a couple deodorants that I really like right now, but it is nice to be able to try different ones just to see how well they work for me. Next we have the Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum. They say this one is supposed to be like a multivitamin for your skin. You're supposed to apply it after cleansing but before moisturizing. They say that it includes a healthy dose of resveratrol and hyaluronic acid. So let's check it out. Just kind of exploded out of the package there. This looks to be a nice kind of creamy serum. It absorbs quickly. It has a bit of a scent to it. I don't think it's a fragrance. I think it's just sort of the natural scent of the product. Looks like it's made with organic juices such as white grape juice, aloe juice, and orange juice. Now that it's dried a bit, it feels pretty nice. It's a little bit kind of like an aloe vera serum. This seems to have good clean ingredients, so I think I'll try it out as part of my morning routine. So to summarize, I got 5 different items in this box. There was 1 makeup item, which was this Kaos Bronzing Potion, 2 skincare items, including this Bliss Omo Clay Mask and the Juice Beauty Antioxidant Serum, and 2 body care items, including this Speak Deodorant and Little Barn Apothecary Body Oil. If you add up the value of all the products, it was relatively good this month. For example, this bronzing potion is actually full size, and if you were to buy it by itself, this one product would cost more than the entire box. I really enjoy supporting this cruelty-free beauty box, and so I will definitely be staying subscribed. I hope you found this video helpful. I'd love to hear what your favorite product was from this box, or if you have one you'd recommend instead. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.